My side, huh? I'm videotaping. Here, this is my side. Watch out, man.
You want to videotape you?
I guess so.
I'll try not to. It's the first time for everything. First time for everything. No. Look like someone cleaning a car.
No fun. We out here in the dark. Somebody might run up on us and shit. You're like, oh, good. We'll just wait till they finish cleaning the car, then we'll go and jack it.
Yes, you do. It's not that cold. I know my hands are about to be frozen. Okay. Now you can put that back.
I can't even do nothing. Hold up. Hold up. No, don't let it go. I'm gonna stop it.